that's the only bit of the programme I hadn't seen in rehearsal. Well done, thank you Mandy and Bob, and stay there, there's more to come. Eddie Cochran, travelling through Chippenham on the way back to London after playing his final UK gig at the Bristol Hippodrome on April the 16th, 1916, the taxi carrying Eddie Cochran crashed. With serious head injuries, he was taken to St Martin's Hospital here in Bath, but died the next afternoon at the age of just 21. Well, in the years following his death, fans from around the world have made pilgrimages to the crash site and to the memorial that you can see in the photograph there, which is in the grounds at St Martin's Hospital, to pay their respects. Well, from 1958, here's M.G.B. with Eddie Cochran's Summertime Blues.
Please join in on the bits that you will know.
Told me, son, you gotta get some money if you wanna use the car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick.
Use the car because you didn't work a lick.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. I'm gonna take 2 weeks, gonna have a fine vacation. Gonna take my problem to the United Nations. Well, I called my congressman and he said, quote,
I can help you son, but you're too young to vote.
sometimes I